Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking compatibility and pairing your stylus. This is critical so Scribble receives precise input. Once paired, enable Scribble in settings so handwriting converts to text across apps. Next, open Notes or any text field and tap with the pencil to start writing. You'll see a gray underline indicating active input. Make sure palm rejection is working by resting your hand lightly. This prevents stray marks. These first steps let you move immediately from setup into you write directly where you want text and Scribble converts as you go, so keep your handwriting clear for better recognition. Once done writing, use quick gestures, scratch to delete words, circle to select, and double tap to join, because these let you edit without keyboard interruption. Also, tap the keyboard icon to reveal a floating or full keyboard when you need precise typing. This toggles seamlessly. Make sure to practice the gestures a few times. Familiarity dramatically speeds up inline corrections and formatting. You finalize by tapping Done or simply tapping outside the text field. This locks the converted text so you can move it or share it. Once converted, copy and paste into other apps or use the share sheet to export as plain text or rich content. If conversion stumbles, make sure the pencil tip is clean, toggle Scribble off and on in settings, and slow your strokes for recalibration. These quick fixes resolve most recognition errors. Finally, save or back up your note to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.